Firing!
Operation Junonia was the first time that UK law enforcement has discovered a fully functioning firearms factory operating in the United Kingdom, manufacturing firearms from scratch, taking pieces of metal and making them into a fully functional lethal firearm. My officers heard 2 shots being fired, or what they believed were 2 test fire shots being fired within the industrial unit, and shortly afterwards Akehurst and Wood came out. They were challenged by the armed officers and they both ran. Akehurst was arrested very, very quickly and he had a fully loaded pistol in the waistband of his trousers. Wood managed to get a bit further, and while he was running he pulled his firearm out. Subsequent searching of the premises revealed component parts for 121 firearms. Not enough of every single part, but enough of some parts. There was a 3rd man arrested at the scene who was the engineer, an individual named of Kinman. He had reverse engineered the original Browning 1922 weapon, taken it to bits, worked out exactly how he could reverse engineer it all, and then actually started producing these parts to make fully functioning firearms. This was a sophisticated operation to supply untraceable firearms into criminal groups around the United Kingdom, and I'm really pleased that we managed to put a stop to it.